Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you all how you can actually access different views on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I'm sure most of you are used to this view when you have PowerPoint open, but there are actually other views available that you may like better. So if you come down to the bottom right of your interface here, you're going to have some different options. You can see by default we have the initial screen that you'll see on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, but then we also have some other options here. So if I go ahead and highlight this one is called Slide Sorter. The original is just called normal, but if we hit slide sorter, you can see now it gives us this view where I can actually hold left click and at a glance I can, change the order of these slides, and some people prefer this view. And then if you double click into it, it'll actually just bring you right back to the normal view. So say you have maybe 50 or 60 slides, it's probably going to be a lot easier to look at this view as opposed to looking at this view here out to the left. But you could also wait for your cursor to change to the left and the right. You could always adjust and make this bigger. The downside to that is it's going to go ahead and it's going to shrink your actual PowerPoint canvas here, where you're not going to have as much real estate to edit your slides. So I just want to shrink that back down a little bit. And again, Slide Sorter is a great workaround where you can see all of your slides at a glance and then just double click into it and it'll bring it up for you. There is also another option next to it called Reading View. So this is the Reading View, and I can actually, there's probably a few different ways I can go through the slides. I can just use my mouse wheel and I can cycle through the slides there. I can also use the arrow keys on my keyboard, and if I left click, it also will cycle through the slides as well. And so that's the Reading View. And there's also the Slideshow, which is, right now I'm in the what I would see as the presenter, where I'd actually be able to see my notes here off to the right. And then on my other monitor right now, it's actually showing what the audience would see, the actual slides themselves. But if I hit display settings here, I can actually swap the presenter view in Slideshow. And now I'm seeing what the audience would normally see. If I want to get out of this, I just have to hit the escape key. And if you want some additional view options, if you come over here to the View tab, you can see some of the same options that we saw on the bottom right are there, but there's also some others as well. So we have Outline View. So this is what Outline View looks like. Back to normal. You also have Notes Page, so you can see your Notes page on here as well. You also have Reading View, which we looked at before. And you also have some different master views here also. But let me actually bring up normal. Let me go to this one. Let's go to Notes Page. And now you can see it has my notes here at the bottom. It's a little bit easier to read because if I come down here to normal view, my notes actually exist down here. I could always make this bigger or smaller and adjust it. But some people may want to see the Notes page where they can, and again, you just use your arrow keys and you can use the slider or your mouse wheel, and you can cycle through the different slides. And at a glance, you can quickly see what your notes are, and then you can come in here and you can make changes to it if needed. But that is how you're actually able to access some of the different views on PowerPoint.